To create project, start Visual Studio. Create new project. Choose ASP.NET Core MVC app. Enter app name. Choose .NET version. I'll use .NET 9, which is latest version right now. Leave everything else as it is. Our project is ready. Now, we'll import recommended packages. So, open NuGet Package Manager. Open Browse tab, and search for Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Identity.Entity Framework Core. Install this package. Now search for Microsoft.Entity Framework Core. Install this package. Then look for Entity Framework Core.SQL Server and install it. Then look for Entity Framework Core.Tools and install it. Now, I'll import an image to use it as login page background. For this, open root folder and create images folder. Now, drag and drop the image inside this folder. With this, all required packages and assets are imported.